In this video, I will show you how to fix can't download, please ask that to be resent to you error in WhatsApp. So first of all, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, then check if there is any update available, and if there is, then update your app. Then go to Settings, scroll down until you find Apps, click on it, then go to App Management. Here, search for WhatsApp, click on it. Then go to Storage Uses, click on it. Now you can see Clear Cache written in bright red, click on it. And once your cache is cleared, let's go back and open WhatsApp. Here in the top right hand side corner, you will see 3 dotted lines, click on it. Then go to Settings. If you scroll down below, you will find Help and Feedback, click on it. Then go to Send Feedback. Here, report this problem. Write, "Hi WhatsApp team, the photos and videos in my WhatsApp account are not downloading." And it says, "Can't download, please ask that to be resent to you error. Please fix it soon, thank you." Then click Send. And your issue will be reported to WhatsApp and they will fix it soon. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.